There was a huge fish. Almost every person wanted to get Django. Even I, as a kid, I wanted to catch Django to be famous. My dad told me the best time to go fishing is when big lake is moved and when the sun goes down. My dad collected all type of fish in Big Lake.
If you go to Big Lake, that when it's mood, when the sun goes down, I am for sure you will catch a lot of fish in Big Lake. Here in Big Lake, a lot of people do contests. If you catch the big fish jungles, they give you money. If I if I if I was there in Big Lake, I could try my best to get jungle to at least get some money. I was going on the boat. I was going in the middle of the lake and got I saw like a fish. I got hook and threw it. It was Django. I knew I went down when we were in the water. I could be down. Django told me everything, even secret. Then nobody knew about when we were going up. I got Django in the boat. I said,
Got ya!
Django could still talk. He was telling me to let him go. I felt Django feeling, so I let Django go free. I free where he belonged in
Big Lake.